Is your air fryer so loud it sounds like a hairdryer in your kitchen? Or maybe it takes forever to cook wings and you still have to flip them halfway through? If that sounds familiar, this might be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Today we're reviewing the Edenpeer 6-quart large air fryer, designed for families, apartment living, and anyone who wants faster cooking without the noise. What makes this one different? Dual heating technology, a full 12-inch pizza capacity, and ultra-quiet 50 dB operation. On paper, it sounds impressive, but is it actually worth your money? Let's break it down. First impressions, the design is clean and modern, with a wide, slightly flatter cooking basket compared to traditional deep-style air fryers. That wider 12.6 by 12.6-inch cooking area is a big deal. Instead of stacking food on top of each other, you can spread it out in a single layer. That means better airflow and more even crisping. And yes, it really fits a full 12-inch pizza without squeezing it in. The build quality feels solid. The standout feature here is the metal inner cavity. A lot of air fryers in this price range use plastic interiors, which can discolor over time or trap odors. This one uses a higher quality metal interior. No toxic coatings, no weird smells, and easier to wipe clean. It just feels more durable overall. Now let's talk performance, because that's what really matters. This air fryer uses dual heating technology, meaning heat comes from multiple directions. In real terms, it cooks significantly faster and more evenly. The brand claims 33 wings in about 14 minutes, steaks in 8 minutes, even bacon in 8 minutes. And the key part, no flipping required. For busy families, that's huge. You save time and you don't have to babysit your food. Another standout feature is the noise level. At just 50 decibels, this is noticeably quieter than most air fryers. If you've ever avoided using your air fryer late at night because it wakes up the house, this solves that problem. It's ideal for open kitchens, apartments, or homes with pets that get startled by loud appliances. The 270-degree viewing window with interior light is more useful than you'd think. Instead of pulling the basket out and interrupting cooking, you can monitor browning in real time. That means more consistent results and less guesswork. That IT comes with 11 preset functions: fries, steak, wings, fish, prawn, veggies, bacon, dehydrate, reheat, frozen pizza, fresh pizza. The digital controls are beginner-friendly. Tap your function, adjust time or temperature if needed, and you're set. It doesn't feel complicated or overwhelming. Efficiency-wise, it uses up to 87% less oil compared to deep frying. So you still get that crispy texture, but with far less grease. For families trying to eat healthier without giving up flavor, that's a big win. Cleaning is straightforward. The basket is dishwasher safe, and the metal interior wipes down easily. Since there's no plastic cavity, you don't get lingering food smells over time. Now let's be honest about the pros and cons. Pros: extremely quiet operation. Fast cooking with dual heat technology. Wide basket that fits full pizzas and larger meals. Metal inner cavity for durability and safer cooking. Easy to use. Great for families. Cons: it's wider than some traditional 6-quart models, so make sure you have a counter space. And while it cooks fast, you may need to experiment slightly with cook times at first, since dual heating can brown food quicker than expected. Who is this best for? Families of 3 to 5, apartment dwellers who want quiet appliances, and anyone frustrated with slow or uneven air fryers. If you cook wings, pizza, or family-sized meals regularly, this is a strong contender. Who should skip it? If you're cooking for just one person and have very limited counter space, a smaller 4-quart model might be more practical. Compared to other air fryers in this price range, most offer single heating elements and louder fan systems. Very few combine ultra-low noise, dual heating, and a metal interior cavity. That's where this one really stands out. Here's the final verdict. The Edenpeer 6-quart large air fryer delivers on speed, space, and silence. It solves 3 major air fryer pain points: noise, uneven cooking, and limited capacity. For the price, it's a strong value. If you want faster meals, quieter cooking, and enough space for real family portions, check the link in the description to see the latest price. If this review helped you make a decision, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest kitchen reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.